Hello students, I am again here for you with some important must-do topics of science subject for your upcoming class 10 board exams. For chapter Human Eye and the Colorful World, you have to do one of the three defects of vision and functions of human eye, parts of human eye, cornea, lens, pupil, retina and their functions, dispersion of light through prism with diagrams. You should know how to draw the diagram of prism and phenomena of atmospheric refraction. There are some questions which have been asked in your exam which is related to phenomena of atmospheric refraction. For chapter light में you should know all the ray diagrams of lenses and mirrors with numericals. There will be a numerical which included the ray diagram, so you should also know the sign convention of lenses and mirrors. Magnification formula, of course, power of a lens with small numerical, and the definition of one diopter, which is very important. For chapter electricity, you should cover Ohm's law, numerical based on series and parallel connection. You will see questions of definition of 1 ampere, 1 volt, electrical fuse. Resistivity is another important topic, and heating effect of electric current. Joule's law of heating is very important, and also the numericals based on it. Okay guys, for next chapter, for magnetic effects of electric current, you should know the activity given, like if current flows through a straight conductor, then the type of magnetic field produced. You should know, you should cover all these activities given in your NCERT book. What is solenoid, electric field around the solenoid, what are the magnetic field lines and its properties, and the function of all the three colors wire in the domestic circuit, also earthing, live wire, overloading. You should cover all these topics. Electric fuse and earthing are the most important ones. So all the best guys.